Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Today, I am here with another class that is informal class. I can say that is informal class because in this class, I will discuss about question pattern and marks distribution for upcoming exam. Let's start with question pattern or marks distribution at first. Question pattern and marks distribution for first term exam here. Question number one, answer in short. Answer 20 questions out of 20. Here you are given 20 questions. 20 questions and you have to answer all of them, and each will carry 1 marks. Okay, so the total marks will be 20. And question number 2, problem solving, 4 rules involving 4 rules, and answer any one competency based question out of 2. That means you are given here 2 questions and you have to answer 1, and marks is 8 marks. Okay, uh, and number 3 here, problem involving 4 rules here. Okay, and here also you are given 2 questions and you have to answer any one out of these 2, and here marks also 8. And question number 4, multiple and factors. Here also you have to answer 1 out of 2. 2 question, here marks 8. And multiple and factors, answer any one competency based on a base question out of 2 here also. So here marks carry 8 marks. Okay, now number 6 here, fractions related problem, and here also you have to answer 1 out of 2 and marks is 8. Fraction related problem, here number 7, also here marks is 8 and you have to answer 1 out of 2 here. Okay, now number 8 decimal fractions, we already finished. Here you have to answer 1 out of 2, here marks carry 8. And number 9 decimal fractions, and you have to answer any one out of 2, here out of 2, marks 8. And number 10 geometry, draw according to the direction and write characteristics. You have to answer any 2 out of 3. So you are given here 3 and you have to answer 2, and here total marks is 12. Okay, number 11, time related problems, and you have to answer 1 out of 2. You have to answer any 1 out of 2 and marks will carry 4 marks here. So here is in total 100 marks. So I hope all of you have understand this. Now go to our syllabus. What is our syllabus here? Okay, here is our syllabus for first term exam. Here exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 12, 1 to 6, and related examples here. Okay, that means so here we have chapter 1 to 7, and in geometry we have parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, we already rectangle, square, we already learned that, and page number 100 to 108. That is our syllabus for first term. Okay, now I will review each chapter here. Okay, let's start. Okay, now let's start with chapter 1. Here our first chapter is go to chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is multiplication. Here we have method of multiplication. We already learned about this here you have to remind this for short question. Multiplicand into multiplier equals to product, and also you if you divide product by multiplicand, then you have multiplier. And also here another one, if you divide product by multiplier, then you will have multiplicand. So you have to remind this for short question. Now multiply here for short question you have to try any here you can try any 3, that is any 4 here. Okay, now from that is page number here, question number 3, multiply, and you have to try here number 1 2, that is number 10 11 12 14. Just try practice these maths at home. Okay, and prepare yourself for the upcoming exam. Here arithmetic restoration, and you have to try just 1 2 3. Okay, and from this you can try the number 5 7 8 and 9. Okay, and from number 2 number 6 number 5 number 4 and here number 2. These are very easy maths. I think for all of you these are very easy. And here use the easier method to multiply. This question is for number 1, that is for short question, and from this you will practice number 8 number 9 and number 6. Okay, and from 4 number 1 2 3. Okay, these you can say that these are suggestion or guideline for you to prepare yourself for the upcoming exam. Okay, and number 6, or most over out of this you have to practice board question, that is PSC question. You have to practice this from that. And now okay, now go to chapter 2. That's all for chapter 1. Now chapter 2 here, division, method of division. We already know the method, and here you have to remind this that is a divisor into quotient plus remainder equals to dividend. We already know that. And here remainder is always smaller than divisor. Okay, now from question number 1, just practice at home number 9 10 11 12. Okay, these are for your practice. And here number 1 number 3. Okay, now here divide number 5 6 and 1. Okay, and problem related to division. From this you have to practice this math, this one also, and this one. Now from exercise 2, that is number 8 number 7 number 9 number 12. Okay, here number 1 and number 3. Now divide here 1 5 6 number 5 6, and now this one is very important. A person saves. Okay, here number 8. That's all for chapter 2. Okay, now chapter 3, problems involving 4 rules here. Here you have to remind all these rules. Okay, just follow these rules to calculate this type of problem here. Okay, here you are given use of rules 3 to 1 here. Just try this at home. and here you have to practice the number 2, then from here number 7, number 6, number 5. Okay, now we have solved this question. This is an important problem. This one is also important for you. Here we have another here. Solve this one is important also. Solve this type of problems. If you practice this type of problem, then it will be easier to you. This type of, you will see that this type of problems, you will find this type of problems in PSC exam. Okay, here this question is important, I think. We already solved this type of problem, that is 4 times of Nasirs and Kayas bed, this type of this type of problem. Okay, so and also solve this one. I have given a star mark, that is that indicates importance of this maths. Here for short question, short question, short question. This one is also for short question. Okay, now here this one also. From this, try the question number 3, question number 5, 4. Okay, this one is most important question. Here another one. So you have to do number 2, number 3 here, and here this one is also important. You will find this type of question in PSC exam, and this one also. Here another problems, here numbers 8, number in 9, and number 10. Number 10 is important. Here number 11, number 12. You have to practice these problems at home. Here number 40. And number 15, number 16. Okay, this one is also important, I think. And that's all for chapter 3. Okay, now chapter 4, mathematical symbols. A few days ago we have completed this chapter, so I think all of you can remind this. Here we have open sentence, that is open sentence and closed sentence. When a sentence is open or closed, we can all now find that. Okay, here you have to read this. Okay, now solve this problem. Here this question, it's okay, now solve this one also. This one is important, we have already solved this type of problem. Okay, here this one is important. From this, practice number 5, 6, and here number 2, and this number 1 for short question, SQ. Okay, short question. That's all for chapter 4. Okay, now go to chapter 5 here, multiples and factors. Here this chapter is one of the most important chapter for you. Uh, here for short question. Okay, for short question. This one is one of the most important problem here, uh, and also this one. So try to complete this. Okay, now here for short question number 2, number 3. Number 3. This one is also important. Prime factorization. Uh, we already know 1 is not a prime number because it has only one factor. If the number of if the factors of a number is 1 and itself only, then the number is called prime number. We already know that. Okay, now chap now next now chapter 5 here, question number 3 is important here, very important. Number 4, I have given double star here. Okay, now number 5, number 6 this one is also very important. That is chapter 5. Okay, now chapter 6, fractions here, different types of fractions here, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. We already know that. Now here you will solve question number 4, and from this just practice some problem. Okay, now here question number 5 here for short question. From this question 8, 10, and also here calculate number 2, number 3. Now exercise 6a. From this exercise you have to practice some problems, that is number from number 3, that is 13, 14, 15, and also number 6. Now number from 4, that is 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and here 5, number 5, number 6. Okay, now number next exercise. From this we have here multiplication, and solve this division by integer. From this that is page number 48, practice just 7, 6, and 8. Okay, here question number 3 and 4. From this just try 2 problems, try to solve. Okay, now from this one 19, 18, 17, 11, and 20. Okay, last only 5 here, 5 from here. Okay, now find the area of the rectangle. We already know how to find the area of a rectangle. Okay, the area of the rectangle, division by fractions here. Number 15, 16. Okay, and now 6b. From this exercise, just practice 3 problems from here, and these are for short question. Okay, short question. These are for short question from here 2, 3 and 4, and from 5 just practice 3 problems, and here 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and this one is important for short question. Calculate here number 9, from number 9 3, and here solve the problem. Okay, from this one you have to practice this one is important, and also practice number 1, 2, 3. Okay, now number chapter 7, that is decimal fraction. This one is we have already we have completed this chapter few days ago, so it is very, so here from this chapter, you have to practice here number from number 6, just practice number 10 and number 11. Okay, now number 8, 9, that is from page number 68, and here multiplication by 10 and 100, that's the easier method. So from this you practice just number 4 and 5. Okay, number 2, and here number 5. Okay, page number 71. And from exercise 7a, here you have to multiply, just practice 2 maths from number 3 and 1 from number 2. Here 2, from number 5 2, and here number 6 important, and number 7, number 8. Okay, division here just practice 2 from each. Okay, 2 from each. Here number 7, number 8, and number 3, number 4. Okay, now number 15, number 16, and number 15 is important. Both maths are important here. Number 15, number 16, both are same types. Now from next exercise, here practice 11, 12. Okay, now next one, try next one here, next one, that is number 2, 3. These are for short question, and here you have 20 short questions. Okay, so you have to answer all of these questions. Here this one is important. Now 7b here. Number 4, number 5, number 6. Number 6 is important. Number 7, here division, do 2 from each. Number 13, 14, and number 14, 15, both are important. Okay, chapter 8 average, we already finished this chapter, but this chapter is not in our syllabus, is not listed. This chapter is not listed in our syllabus. Chapter geometry. In geometry we have finished rectangle, square, so you have to finish that. We also finished parallelogram and rhombus here. So all four, you have to complete all these four. Okay, now go to chapter 12. So, chapter 12, that is time. Calendar. At first, calendar, you have to know all the names of all months of Bangla calendar year. Also, you have to know the name of all months of English calendar year. From this, you have to solve this type of problem. Okay. Now you have to also find out a leap year. From here also you have to find that is 12-hour clock. You have to find the difference between 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. We already practiced this type of problems. Okay, now you have to convert this clock, 12-hour clock, and also 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock, and this from 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock. Here question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, 4, and you have to complete all problems from this chapter. Okay, and this one is important. We already solved this type of problem. Okay, using this we already solved CQ using this type of problem, so it's very important for you. Okay, that's all our syllabus. I hope all of you can now prepare yourself for the upcoming exam. That's all. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.